now his head's... Oh, his tiny feet. His tiny feet. And his butt clamp. There's his head. This is little Chance. And we named him that because I saw his mom lay the egg, and she put it on a tiny seedling of milkweed in the middle of a lawn, and it was going to get mowed. So I collected the egg, and this is the little guy that we raised. And then Mom almost smashed him, and he had a deformed butt tentacle for a while, and I thought he was going to die, but he looks like he's going to make it. But he is small for his age, and I know because we have other caterpillars to compare with, and he's going to turn into a chrysalis in a couple of days. And so we're just trying to get him fattened up. He needs to be twice the size that he is now. And we might have to keep him as a pet in the greenhouse if he's too little, because he won't be able to migrate. Anyway, so this is our last one. We had what, 5, 3, 4, something like that. And this is the last one that we have, so it's been fun.